In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Wells Fargo transaction history. Let's dive into a detailed guide, step by step, to manage and, in certain ways, limit the appearance of your transaction history. First, it's crucial to understand the limitations you'll face when trying to delete transaction histories. Financial institutions, including Wells Fargo, are legally required to retain transaction records for specific periods to comply with regulations. While you can't delete transactions from the bank's records, there are certain actions you can take to manage your transaction history on your end. If you see an incorrect or potentially fraudulent transaction, it's essential to dispute it immediately. Wells Fargo allows you to contest such transactions through their mobile app or website. When you spot an error, act promptly by visiting the transaction details section in your account. You'll find options to report or dispute the transaction. This not only helps rectify potential issues, but also keeps your account secure. In case your intention is to have the bank correct any personal data or redact sensitive information, you'll need to contact Wells Fargo directly. Reach out to their customer service, explain your situation, and provide any necessary documentation they may require. Their team can assist in adjusting records or redacting details where it aligns with their policies. Now, if your primary goal is to clear local copies of your transaction history, focus on removing data from devices you use to access your account. You might, for example, want to clear your browser cache or app data. On most devices, this can be done through the settings menu, under storage, or application management. This will delete stored data, like old transaction details, from your device, not from Wells Fargo's records. For those considering a clean break entirely, one way is to close your account properly. Before closing your account, ensure all pending transactions are cleared and any automatic payments are redirected. Contact Wells Fargo support to begin the account closure process, ensuring all necessary steps are followed for an effective closure. Lastly, if you've received a bill or check for something sensitive that you don't want to appear on your statements, methods to obscure these are limited. If privacy is a primary concern, consider using cash or prepaid cards for such transactions in the future. This can prevent such purchases from being listed on your bank statements. While these steps can help you manage how your transaction history appears on personal devices and handle specific situations, remember that complete deletion from the bank's records isn't feasible due to legal obligations. Always ensure that the actions align with your privacy needs and financial goals. If you have any questions or require further assistance, contacting Wells Fargo directly is always a recommended step.